A kitten is doing much better after being rescued by a garbage man earlier this month in Hillsboro. He was emptying a trash can when he saw the kitten hanging upside down from its back legs, covered in spray foam. Now, he took the can back to the Hillsboro garbage disposal facility where staff worked to free the kitten. Then they took it to a vet. The kitten is currently recovering at the Bonnie Hayes shelter. Anybody with information about this case of animal cruelty should call Washington County deputies.